Hello everybody, I'm Mike Moscatello, host and producer of Take Pause on WBEC Channel 63. The first thing I'd like to say is that this is not a paid endorsement for Dr. Bieber or his products. This is simply a testimonial on my part with the great benefits that Dr. Bieber's testosterone therapy has provided for my dog, Chevy. I was initially going out looking for a great story for Take Pause. We do all kinds of stories on things happening in the community, and we like to look for veterinarians who have maybe new things that they're doing or can tell us about how we can better care for our pets. Well, I came across Dr. Bieber, and when he was telling me about this great testosterone therapy treatment that he uses for dogs and how it helps with their mobility, I said, you know, this is something that maybe I might be able to personally benefit from. My dog Chevy, who is a 13-year-old German Shepherd, she's having a lot of trouble walking, getting around. She was having all this trouble getting up, and the poor thing really, we were really very, very worried about her. I was thinking this wasn't going to work for female dogs because as soon as I had heard about testosterone, I said, no, testosterone, that's a male thing, right? And Dr. Bieber said, no, this is something that works not just for male dogs, but for female dogs as well. Well, I'll tell you in brief, we went from having a dog that I had to go and literally lift her up from underneath to try to get her to move around. She would walk very stiff-legged. Sometimes her legs would just give out from under her. All of a sudden, now we have this dog that has all this life back. She's like a young dog again. It's taken some time. It took a few months of the therapy treatment for her muscle and her bone to build back up and get to the point where she almost feels like a young pup again, I think, but it's happened. And I've seen these great benefits of this testosterone therapy that Dr. Bieber has been able to provide for my own dog, Chevy. I think it's a wonderful treatment. It may not be for every dog out there, but as an alternative option for a dog that I really think that wouldn't have been able to benefit from a whole lot of anything else, any other treatments that are out there other than painkillers or things like that, this has really given her life back, and it's given us our dog back, and we're very, very thankful. We can't thank Dr. Bieber enough for this great therapy that he's been providing for our dog, Chevy, and so that's about it. There's my testimonial.